In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add details inside the check register in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to open, and how to update a transaction so your records are clear and accurate. Start on your QuickBooks homepage and make sure you're in the correct company file. Look to the upper right and click the settings icon, the small gear. This opens your main tools and lists. From here, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the central place where all your accounts live, including bank and credit card accounts. In the Chart of Accounts, locate the bank account whose register you want to work with. You can scroll, use search, or sort by type to find it quickly. Double check the account name so you don't edit the wrong register, especially if you manage multiple checking accounts. Next, open the account's register by clicking View Register. The register shows all posted transactions for that account in a familiar ledger view. You'll see dates, payees, types, amounts, and balances, which makes it easy to scan for the entry you want. Find the specific transaction you need to update. If the list is long, you can refine your view with on-screen filters or search by amount, date, or payee. Once you've located the transaction, click Edit on that row. This opens the full transaction form so you can add or adjust details. Now, add the information you want to capture. Confirm the payee is correct. Choose the right category or expense account so the cost hits the proper place on your profit and loss. Use the description or memo field to explain what the payment was for. A short, clear note here can save you time during reviews or audits. If you track class or location, apply those for better segment reporting. Add tags if you use them for flexible grouping. If it's a check, verify the check number and the payment date. If the expense covers more than one account or project, split the lines to allocate amounts accurately. You can also attach a receipt or invoice for documentation. This keeps everything tied to the transaction. When you're satisfied, click Save. QuickBooks will return you to the register and reflect your changes immediately. Take a quick look to confirm the memo appears and that the balance still looks right. If the transaction had already been reconciled, be cautious. Changing key fields can affect reconciliation, so review any alerts and proceed thoughtfully. That's it. Open the gear, go to Chart of Accounts, pick your bank account, view the register, edit the transaction, add the details that matter, and save. Keeping your register entries complete and consistent helps your reports stay trustworthy and your month-end close go smoothly.